everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome back to a brand new video. I hope you're all well and having a great day. If you're new here, my name's Amanda and today I'm bringing you a collective shopping haul. Lots of autumnal vibes. So I've been to Primark, Ikea, The Works. I've got a couple of items from Avon as well. And I've also got some items from Tesco Home and ALDI. So it's more like an autumnal kind of haul. So some of the items that I'm going to show you are for styling my house up for autumn. I don't know if you guys are the same, whether you decorate for autumn and then you leave it up until Christmas, or do you take everything down Halloween and then get ready for Christmas after Halloween. It'd be good to know actually if you guys do actually decorate at all for autumn and Halloween, you know, or Christmas. I do actually decorate for autumn, but I do try to do it on a budget, finding things that I can use like from the parks or from my garden, you know, lovely dried out leaves and flowers make the perfect autumnal sort of home decoration, you know. And this dry wheat is actually part of my autumnal home decorating. These I actually picked in the park, free of charge from the park, yeah, from my local park. So yeah, I just dried them out a little bit more and I've just put them into my little Poundland vase and they look absolutely gorgeous. You know, don't you think they look gorgeous? So it'd be good to know what you guys do for autumn, whether you decorate or not, or do you just wait for Christmas and do a whole big thing for Christmas, you know? So do let me know in the comments, okay? So let's get on with the haul. So the first couple of items I'm going to show you are from Tesco Home. And I've got to say, I was so impressed with Tesco Home. I'm impressed with all the stores at the minute, especially the budget stores, because you know, everyone can sort of get something nice for their home, whether they're on a budget or not. You know, whether you're just moving into a house and you're not sure where to start, or you want to redecorate and add some like homeware, it is definitely worth looking in the budget stores, guys. You know, do look in the budget stores, because when I go shopping and I see people coming out of certain shops with like homeware, and I'm thinking you get that in Primark for you know, but so I think I'm going to start with Tesco. So I've got the items right next to me here. Okay, so the first item I'm going to show you is an item that I've been looking for in various different stores. And I couldn't believe I found it right on my doorstep in Tesco. And it's these dinner candles. So if you guys know my channel, you probably know that I've been looking for some dinner candles to fit into my Ikea candle holders. So I've been to Ikea, I picked up the original candles for those, but I didn't like the shape of them. And I did find something in Poundland which I was quite impressed of actually. The candles were quite alright, but they just weren't the right colour. So I've been into my local Tesco and I found these paper dinner candles and they're pure white. So I'm just so happy to find these in Tesco. They fit my Ikea candle holders perfectly, and these came in at £3 for the pack of 6. Okay, so the next item that I picked up in Tesco Home was this metallic pumpkin. And it's like a hard, sort of like a hard plastic style pumpkin with this silver colour detail at the top. And I just thought it looked quite nice, quite pleasing. I've got that and that was £2 in Tesco. So the next item from Tesco, I actually opened this already, okay? And so what it is, these are actually for the Tessimo coffee machine. And this is the gingerbread latte. It tastes absolutely delicious. So this was actually recommended to me by Just Mo, who has a small YouTube channel. So I thought I'd get involved, I thought I'd try it out. I think she picked hers up in Asda, but I saw them in Tesco. So I got them in Tesco. I've actually tried it and it just tastes so lovely. It's so delicious. So you can find these in Tesco. The packaging looks like this, okay, and not like this. So you get the two together. So you'll get the creamer separately and then you'll also get the latte. Do keep an eye out for these in your supermarket. I'm sure a lot of the supermarkets are doing this. I got these in Tesco and you can also find them in Asda. That's those, and this was £3.50 for 6 capsules of gingerbread latte. Okay, so next up I'm going to show you some items that I picked up in Primark. Now again, Primark, oh my goodness, Primark absolutely killing it with the homeware. I literally had to put my blinkers on when I went to this particular store. So I didn't pick up too much, but I've got a Primark Come Shop With Me home video coming to the channel very soon, okay? I will bring you to Primark one day next week for you to see the amazing homeware that's in my local store, okay? So I did pick up a couple of items in Primark Home and I just absolutely love them. Now these tea towels, I've already had these from Primark and they wash up really well. So this one's got like a olive tree design on it. It's a pack of 4 tea towels, okay, for £4 in Primark. 100% cotton as well. So I absolutely love the colours in these. So this one here, it's got that lovely green colour, that lovely kind of like autumn green, I would say. And then it's got this muted powder blue colour, and then this one, which I just absolutely love. I mean, I know it's not really autumn, this one, but I just love that kind of design. It's kind of like a white company kind of vibe. So I just love this as well. A pack of 4 tea towels for £4. You really can't go wrong, you know. So I've got these, okay. So next up from Primark, I picked up this muffin tray. So I absolutely like this kind of size muffin tray, because when I do my baking, I tend to like with the Betty Crocker mix, you always tend to get 6 muffins out of it and then a loaf cake. So with this, I can actually put the muffins into the oven and have the loaf tray beside it, if you get what I mean, the same level in the oven, so they're baking the same time. So I got this in Primark and this was £2, okay. And what I like about this baking tray, the colour on the back of that, look at the colour. It's got that kind of vintage green colour on it and that lovely grey. Absolutely gorgeous, you know, for a baking tray. So yeah, you can find this in Primark, and I've got to say they had a whole range of baking items like this, these lovely colours. So I think they also had it in pink, but I went for the green one because I absolutely love grey and green. And yeah, baking tray, not bacon tray, muffin tray. So there it is, okay. Right, so that's what I got from Primark in the kitchen department. So next up, I picked up a new lipstick. So this was just 90p, okay, 90p for this lipstick. I also got a lip gloss in the same colour, and this came in at £1.50. Now I don't know what the shade of this is because it's so hard to see, isn't it, with this small detail on it. But it's this colour, lovely kind of like plum colour, not too pink, not too brown, kind of like middle road. So I've got that, and then of course the lip gloss to go with it. Those are both from Primark, okay. Okay, so next up, I'm going to show you one item that I picked up in B&M. Like I said, I've been very good. I've been into B&M and I've literally had to put my blinkers on because they have so much nice things, and I'm just trying to be so good of not picking anything up that I don't really need. So this one item that I picked up, thought I can get this and use it next year as well. And what it is this light up pumpkin. So it's not glass like the cookie jar that I got from Home Bargains. This is actually plastic, but I just like the shape of the pumpkin. So I thought I can maybe DIY this. You know, I've still got time to do my autumnal DIYs. So I'm a little bit late to the market for that. Oh, well, I think I am. I'm not sure. I have seen everyone else doing it already. But I've got to say, I don't really decorate the house for Halloween. So my autumn decoration normally stays up until Christmas time, where I'm ready to put the Christmas decorations up, you know. So they will remain around the house until the Christmas decorations go up, you know. Sometimes I have the pumpkins around Christmas time as well. I just love them. I just love how they look, you know. So anyways, this I got in B&M, and it is a light up pumpkin. So it's got this little tester bit on it that you can just press, and as you can see, as you press it, it lights up. Now it has got some, I don't know why they've put that in there. It looks more Christmassy, but they've put some iridescent tinsel in there, which I'm not a fan of at all, really. But I know I can sort of DIY this or do a hack with it. So I've got this, and this was £4 in B&M, okay. It's quite a large size pumpkin. I like the aesthetics of it, you know, and I think once I've DIY'd it, it's going to look absolutely beautiful. So I've actually picked up 2 of these. One I might leave it as it is, and the other one I might DIY it. So I know B&M have stocked up for their Christmas decorations. They've got one whole aisle in my local store full of Christmas decorations, and I've got to say, they're so on point this year. I mean, all the stores, all the budget stores are killing it this year for Christmas decorations. So yeah, if you need any Christmas decorations or last minute autumnal decorations, get down to the budget stores, guys, because they are really on point this year, okay. I mean, this pumpkin from Tesco was also very nice. I suppose I can DIY that one as well, but I just like how it looks already. So yeah, so that's that. Okay, so the one item that I picked up in Pep & Co, Poundland Pep & Co, is these gloves. Okay, so it's a nice woven knitted glove, woman's gloves, okay, and these came in at £2. Lovely grey colour, charcoal grey colour, and they look really nice on as well. You know, lovely kind of thermal glove. So these came in at £2 from Pep & Co. That's the one item that I picked up in Pep & Co this time round, which is very good going for me, you know. So that's that. Okay, so now I'm going to show you some items that I picked up in Ikea. And yeah, these are my autumnal items from Ikea. So the first couple of items that I picked up, well, there's actually 4 of them, are these placemats. Now, I know you would have seen that I've got placemats from Primark, from my previous hauls, kind of swaying towards these seagrass ones, rather than the ones that I got from Primark. So that's my little dilemma at the minute, whether I keep the Primark ones or I keep these ones from Ikea. Let me just get the Primark ones and show you guys, and then maybe you guys can decide for me, you know, because I'm just at a loose end with this, you know. I'm so undecisive when it comes to things like this. So give me a second, okay? Okay, so I'm back. Now, these are the Primark ones, okay? Now, these are more like a, what should I say, jute. Yeah, these are more like, oh, it says it on the front, jute. 2 packs of jute placemats. And then these are a seagrass texture. So I'm not sure of which ones to keep. You know, they're both quite nice. This one is quite heavy actually, so I think this will sort of hold a dinner plate a bit better, and these are quite light. But I actually like both of them now, putting them together like that. Can you guys decide for me, please? Should I keep the seagrass ones or should I keep the jute ones from Primark? The Primark ones are 2 for £7. And then these ones from Ikea are £4 each. So there's £1 in it. Now that I've got them up side by side, I'm kind of swaying towards these Ikea ones. You guys, you can give me a hand with that, yeah? Let me know in the comments which ones I should keep. So that's the seagrass placemats from Ikea, okay? So next up from Ikea, 4 of these lovely jars with the silver lids. And they hold up to 5 ounces of product, you know, dry food and so on. So you would have seen on my Ikea budget haul, I picked up a couple of these in the bargain basement, which were 40p each. But this whole set comes up to £1.75 in Ikea, and I think that's why they're just flying off the shelves right now, you know. They're perfect for like little seasoning jars, perfect for like a little coffee station. That's what I'm going to be doing with mine. But £1.75, you really can't go wrong, and they're lovely glass jars. The next item I picked up in Ikea are these autumnal serviettes, okay, or napkins. Now I just absolutely love the print on this. It's got that lovely white background, and you've got this lovely design of like green leaves on it. You get a pack of 30 of these for £1.50, I think it was, and they're like the smaller napkins. So you know, like the Ikea do those big white napkins, we always not waste them, but I always have to sort of cut them in half a little Oakley because they're just so huge. Really lovely. So £1.50 for 30 napkins. Okay, so next up I'm going to show you a couple of items that I picked up in ALDI. So I needed to get the marshmallows, the mini marshmallows for my hot drink station. So I picked up this bag of marshmallows in ALDI, and I think this was something like 75p. It's 180 grams, so there's quite a lot in this bag. So what I'm going to do with these, I'm going to put some into one of these jars and just have it on my coffee station. You know, it's enough for sort of 2 cups of hot chocolate, you know, and I can just top it up every time. That's from ALDI. Also, I picked up in ALDI, they had a whole selection of Minky products. So I've got this antibacterial cleaning pad by Minky, and I also got this antibacterial glass and window cleaner. Now these both were £1.49 in ALDI, and I think that's the cheapest that I've actually seen this cloth. I've actually paid up to £3 for one of these. This is absolutely amazing product for cleaning your windows with, you know, before autumn really does kick in, if you want to get your windows done, you know, even just for cleaning like mirrors. It's just absolutely amazing. All you got to do is put some water on it and wipe, and your windows or glass or your mirrors are all nice and shiny and streak free. Okay, there's one item that I did actually pick up in Poundland, as well as the what did I show you, the gloves. Okay, and what it is are these light up bottle stoppers. Now these are absolutely brilliant to create a nice ambience at your dinner table or in your kitchen or in the garden, you know, anywhere where you can just like have a wine bottle out, if you get what I mean. So what it is, I'm going to show you. Okay, so you get a pack of 2 of these for £1 in Poundland, and it's the warm light one. So I'm just going to open one and quickly, if I can, untangle it. Oh, it's quite easy to untangle. Sometimes they can be a little bit difficult to untangle. Just going to untangle it. And what it is, it's like it's an LED light, but it's a bottle stopper. So the lights are very micro on there. Very tiny weeny lights. But it creates the most amazing ambience if you can find a nice bottle to use with it. So I've got this empty bottle, which was originally a Prosecco bottle from Lidl. So I kept it because I just like the design on it. I'm just going to pop this light into the bottle. So you just literally just put any bottle you can do this with, okay? Just pop it down like that, and then this top bit becomes a stopper. I've just pulled the light out now and you can see how gorgeous that looks. Absolutely amazing. So these are currently in Poundland, a pack of 2 for £1, which I think is just absolutely amazing. So the next item I'm going to show you are some items from Avon that was delivered to me today. Every year they bring out like an autumnal or a Christmas kind of vibe scent. So I'm sure this is new because I haven't seen this before on the Avon. Okay, now this is gingerbread scented products. Okay, gingerbread scented, so they smell absolutely gorgeous. This one is like a spritzer, so it can be a room fragrance or you can put it on your clothes. It works a little bit like Febreze, okay, and it smells absolutely gorgeous. I've also got the moisturizing hand wash, exactly in the same scent. And then I also got this, which is a shower cream. Now I've already sprayed some of this today and it smells absolutely gorgeous. Oh my goodness, it's so lovely. It's so gingerbready. It's so autumnal. So the vibe right now, you know, I'm loving this. So that's the items from Avon. And I think this spritzer is £2 in Avon. I think these are also £2 each right now on Avon. But you can go on the Avon website and you can check out the prices currently. And Avon also deliver to your door. Okay. So that's all from Avon. Now I'm going to show you a couple of items that I got from the Works. Now again, the Works is just absolutely amazing. I absolutely love going in there. I always find something, you know, sort of gravitate to the books. Because I do absolutely love the books in there at the minute. Whether they're therapy books or spiritual healing books, or some kind of motivational books. That's the kind of books that I like to read and like to get into, okay? So I saw this one in there by Fern Cotton, and it's called Calm. So it's working through life's daily stresses to find a peaceful center, okay? And this is normally $8.99 or retails for $8.99 normally. That's the great thing that I like about the Works. You can find some amazing books at amazing prices. And this book was just £3. So I just had to get involved. Okay, so that's the book by Fern. So I also picked up this book in the Works, Make It Happen, Manifest the Life of Your Dreams. And this one is by Jordana Levine. And again, this one normally retails for $8.99, but in the Works, this book comes in at £3. There's one other item that I picked up in the Works as well, which is this stencil book. And this is £3.50. On the front here, as you can see, you've got the alphabet, and then you got the numbers, and you got the hashtag, exclamation mark, and also a question mark, okay? So this front page is already a stencil. You can use it as a stencil, okay? And then as you go in, you got the same thing repeated, but it's different fonts. So you got this lovely font here as well. That's more like a, I would say, Arial kind of font, like standard font. And then as you go through, you've got this lovely scrolly type font there as well, which I was planning to do a DIY for, but I'm not even sure I'm going to get a chance to do it. But I might use this for over Christmas, okay? And also, I just thought it's so good to just have this handy anyway, you know, for next year in any kind of DIY projects. This can also be used around Easter and springtime, you know. So, yeah, and then that one continues with this lovely scrolly font, which I just absolutely love, okay? And then it goes through. So you've got the numbers as well in that scrolly kind of font. And then you've got the large letters like that. A bit like a, which you can make up like a wanted sign or something quirky like that. So when I saw this, I can't remember whose channel I saw it on. I think it could have been Mr. Carrington's. When I saw it, I thought I definitely have to get one of these. And I'm just so happy that they still had them in, because I think I saw it a couple of weeks ago on his channel. But yeah, £3.50 for this stencil book. Absolutely amazing. Okay. That's the last item on my haul, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my up and coming videos. For those of you that have recently subscribed to my channel, thank you so much for subscribing. I appreciate you all around here. Take care, enjoy your evening, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.